What's for breakfast, Buck?
This morning we're going to cook up some fancy pants pancakes. And one of the first things we're going to do is get some butter melted. About 3 tablespoons. It's just going to be a basic pancake recipe. We got some bacon cooking. We're going to do fancy pants pancakes. We got some stuff to throw in there. I always like to put nuts in pancakes.
Woohoo!
I'm going to take 1 egg. Boom. Whip this up. You know, I don't have any milk. I just got half and half. A little bit of half and half in there. And I'm just going to mix it with a little bit of water. But you can use milk. You can use half and half. It doesn't matter if you use 1%, 2% whole milk. You can use buttermilk. Whatever you want. You just need a liquid. And then we're going to throw our butter in there. You got your egg and your butter and your milk mixed up. Now right here we got our flour. We got a little bit of baking powder. And put in a little bit of sugar.
Rambling through the pantry.
Alright, enough singing. We got some salt. So we mix our dry ingredients up, and then we're going to add our liquid in here. We're just going to pour it in here, adding a little bit at a time. Doesn't work for me. So you just want to make sure that your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients are mixed up. And you know, you want to get it to a whatever consistency. Add a little more flour if you need to. Add a little more milk if you need to.
What's a whatever consistency?
Like this. I'm just going to wipe my bacon grease out of here. And you can make your pancakes as big as you want. Or as small as you want. Alrighty, we're going to make some cranberry walnut pancakes. So you want to put your batter down there. And then we'll throw in some stuff. And you want to give it a good throw. Boom, so it sticks. Goes through, and then we'll put some walnuts in. Alright, and then what you're going to wait for is for the bubbles to come up and bubble up and blah, blah, blah.
Hey, that part's hard. Good color.
I don't know, it doesn't look all that awesome to me.
Oh my.
You want it on the other side though.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh.
On that side right there. No, that's no good. I'm not excited about this one. But a lot of times your first one don't come out great. Because you gotta find the right heat for the pan. Okay, this time we're gonna do some chocolate chips.
Yuck.
Chocolate chips and pecans.
You gonna waste those pecans with that chocolate?
That's a good combination, man.
Bubbles are here.
That other thing.
Ooh, another good color. Well, if you didn't like how thick the other one is, this is thinner.
Yeah, no, that one looks much better. Now, first pancake's the pancake you eat while you're making pancakes. This one looks bueno. Make this one a little bigger. Another one I like is a banana walnut. Cranberry walnut are just fancier.
Nicely done. Bubbles are coming, the bubbles are coming. Nicely done again.
Looks good.
Scrapes the bottom of the bowl. Good heavens. Oh, he's in a hurry. He ain't waiting for those bubbles.
Now we got extra stuff that we can throw on there. Alrighty. There you go. The breakfast of
Good.
ex-champions.
Gravy. Right, the taste test. Dum, ba, 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 bum. Good lord. That's like 2 minutes.
Cranberry walnut, chocolate pecan, banana walnut. Those are probably my 3 favorites. But if you want to make fancy pants pancakes, just make pancakes and then throw whatever the hell you want in them. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you taking the time, and we will see you in the future. Bye-bye.